Ever argued with your partner about where you first met and both of you were confident but still wrong? Yeah, same. That's when I went searching for an app that could actually save memories and relationships, and that's how I found Couple Joy. If you're searching for a couples app that's more than just cute notifications, stick around because I tested this like a curious journalist and a slightly paranoid partner. Couple Joy works like a shared relationship journal. You and your partner can save photos, moments, and even places you've been together. Everything neatly organized instead of lost in your camera roll forever. One feature I actually liked is the home and lock screen widgets. Seeing how long you've been together sounds simple, but trust me, it hits different on a busy day. Then there are the questions, and no, not boring ones. Some are fun, some deep, and some are, wait, I didn't know that about you level. Perfect for late night talks or awkward silences. From my experience, this isn't a scam. The features actually work, the app feels polished, and it delivers exactly what it promises. So if you want to build memories instead of just scrolling past them, Couple Joy is worth trying. Follow for more honest reviews so you don't waste time downloading junk. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.